Good evening, friends. I am Vaibhavi, and today we have a debate competition on topic vegetarian food versus non-vegetarian food. So here we have two groups, one which will be talking on the favor of vegetarian food and the one which will be talking on the favor of non-vegetarian food. So let's get started. In my opinion, vegetarian food is more beneficial than non-vegetarian food because vegetarian diet tends to have fewer calories and lower the level of cholesterol and saturated fats.
I don't agree with Vaibhavi because, in my favor, the non-vegetarian food is more nutritious than vegetarian food because they are having fats and the nutrients and the vitamins B and B12. In B12, we are also known that last year we had the situation of COVID-19. In that, doctor recommended us that you can eat non-vegetarian food because in non-vegetarian food it is the healing power. It is also good for immune system and you can heal fast than the vegetarian food.
Good, I'm agree with you. But main thing is the that vegetable is a plants. We can eat them. But if we need non if we need non-veg, then we need to kill animals. Then it's not good for our nature because if we kill the animals, it's affect our natures because it's not be perfect. And you talking about it's giving vitamins and more things, but vegetable also have good vitamins and good uh, good things about our uh, good things about our fat something. But we don't need to eat animals because they also have life. Then why we need to kill them? Because we have a plants for it for we have a plant for it.
This is very logical topic. Uh, we are also human. We are also emotion. But uh, we sometimes we have disease and some doctor suggestion we can eat. We have take our diet with non-veg. Uh, as Shrilek said that non-veg heals fastly, um, and we can see we have many things that resides from animal as a we have belt or belt also many things we can, and we can we take medicines also. Some parts also animals resides in medicines.
I totally agree your statement, but there is in my statement, vegetarian food is natural food, and it's a power source of energy and healthy healthy environment. And non-veg is uh, environmental harmful dish, so we can't eat that.
I agree with you because one must have a proper balanced diet with proper balanced components of food, not too much and not little.
So everyone know the life cycle. Life cycle is continues to when population is very high, like chicken's population is very high. When very high go, then the we also feed chicken. we also feed chicken, then we grow chicken also, then we eat chickens. That's my purpose to say it.
According to me, there are two types of animals. The one type of animal is wild animals and other is artificial animals. By artificial animals, I don't mean that they are made in laboratories, but they are they are breeded in poultries. So as he said that this affects our nature, according to me, that this doesn't affect the nature because the animals we eat are artificial, which are breeded in poultry, which doesn't harm our nature.
Um, you might be right. However, veg is easy to digest than non-veg, and as it takes many hours to digest and sort out nutrients from it.
It's not about digestion, it's about the nutritious, because in non-vegetarian food the exact amount of we refer as he says that chicken that we have ate morning or night, we can digest because our body is specifically updating day to day life. In earlier days there was a particular, as you say, that vegetarian food is digestible. We can digest the grass also because there was a fatty acid which is present in stomach, but today it is also more than you can study about on Google or some network areas. The fatty acids are grown up, I think 14% till now, so we can easily digest the non-vegetarian food. It is also beneficial for us health.
Okay, but in our life circle, why we need to eat animals? Because nature give us more many things for it. We have many vegetables and foods and more many things. And why we need to eat them? Because they also have life, and that's he say is making on a in lab something anywhere. But any time I'm going outside my home, I say in a roadside they have hands, cooks, and they just cutting. They just cut them, and after they cut and sell them, they that time I'm says so that all I'm feeling very bad because they are also have life. Why we kill them?
I agree with you, but the non-vegetarian food is also beneficial for our health, like Shrikant say. And in we take gym. Sorry, in gym, gym say gym trainer say like to eat nutrition food like chicken, and also so we
Yeah, I'm disagree with you because if you're going any gym, the trainer says you have two choices. You can choose a veg and non-veg. Then there, why you don't choose veg? Because veg also have more and more vitamins. Veg have the paneers, like you know about paneer, and soya balls and more man things we have who's give us energy, potentials, and vitamins. But that time I have a I know why we eat the chickens because it feel like so tasty. That's why we eat it. No, it's not have any reason. We have a more and more reason to eat vegetables because if some people say why we cut the vegetables because they also have life. But my opinion is if we cut any vegetable, they can grow one more time. But if we kill any animal, they can't. They can't. I mean,
Yeah, sure. Continue. Take it. I don't. First, you said when you saw cut animal or killing animal, so you feeling sad, you know. So I said uh, many things we use. Uh, many things we saw milk also, cows, and I said medicines also, some animal parts or some animal resides use. So we can avoid milk also and many things also. You said I wish my opinion.
See, according to trainers, gym trainers, we have two options. One is eating non-vegetarian food like eggs and meat, and second option is eating vegetarian food. But the problem in vegetarian food is that whenever we eat vegetarian food, we don't get much proteins and amino acids. For them, we take dietary supplements. Also, protein powder, which is a concentrate of many vegetables, which is not good for our body because this doesn't contain any other mineral. So I think that eating non-vegetarian food for protein instead of these supplements is quite better.
so I'm agree with you. But you say the protein. But if we talking with any gym trainer, his don't say you need protein. We needs, but sometimes it's depend on our body, what our body condition, what we eating daily day. If you eating fast food in outside, then how you build your body? It's not depend on the powders. It's not depend on the non-veg. It depends on yourself. What you doing, what you eating, and what you drinking. If you're drinking alcohol, something that's it's harm your body. And if my opinion is, if you eating normal things and vegetables, you can make your body easily.
See, for gym training, we go to make our health and building muscles. So the basic way of making muscles is that the tissues of our body tears, and they are replaced by new tissues which are better than the old one. This is done by exercise, and the work of making new tissues is done by proteins. And as he said, that our diet also matters. Yes, if you even do if we consume alcohol, unhealthy foods, junk foods, so it will be useless. But even if you are eating healthy things and not drinking alcohol and alcohol, then also you can't make body without the supplements, because for a daily intake is 30 grams at least for normal life. So for that we need to eat a lot of cheese every day, as pulses are hard to digest than meat, because for pulses we have to eat many grams of pulses like 200 grams, 300 grams, which might not seem large amounts but are large amounts. So I say that for taking the proteins are the most important thing for bodybuilding with diet.
You might be correct, but veg have more advantages than non-veg. Like, it is essential in the prevention and treatment of diseases, and and it is good source of vitamins, mineral, etc., which has the ability to cure diseases which is caused by the some components of food.
I disagree with your statement because uh, artificial animals may be made by humans or they are inbreeded, but they are also living things and living organism, they should also chance to live. So, in my opinion, we should not eat non-veg because rather than non-veg, there are many proteins and fibers in vegetables like vitamin C, vitamin D, carbohydrates, and etc. We can eat salad, fruits, and more than vegetables for gain muscles and nutrition also.
I'm agree with you because vegetarian food is always right our body and doctor said is and vitamins and I heard don't kill animals because the this life also gives life and our also gives life uh, and
According to me, every person on this earth who is vegetarian do not eat meat, eggs, or non-vegetarian foods because he thinks it's unethical and vegetarian food can complete it. But I want to say that from starting our human being, we were when in old times our body was made to be a flexitarian where we had a larger amount of vegetarian food and lower amount of meat, but we used to consume meat. So, and we all are present here are flexitarian, which consume vegetarian food, but also consume non-vegetarian food in a lower amounts. So, I think that the vitamins, minerals, and all the nutritions with amino acids and proteins is properly completed by non-vegetarian people.
Totally, I disagree with you because you said the in our past the peoples they eat kill animals and eat them. But first thing, they don't have any source for eating. You know about that. And if I'm talking about that, I'm saying to you, we have more and more sources for eating vegetables and more many things. Then why we need to eat animals? If we going into past, they don't have any sources for eat. Sorry, they don't have any sorry, they don't have any sources for the vegetables and fruits and something, but we can grow vegetables, we can grow anything. And some before time you said they artificial animals, but why they kill them? They also after they artificial, they living a life, okay? Then why we need to kill them? They also feel pain, na? Because we and you say in past time they eating, why we need to copy them? We don't have any thing to copy them. You said we need to eat the non-veg. We also we also human beings. We need to save the animals and more. We need to find more sources for the vegetable. Okay.
I'm thinking that he's talking unnecessary things because we are not killing the animals. It is artificial because it did not give the rebirth to others. If we are take the example of an hen, it is a boiler. It gives the eggs for 15 years. Then it will be slaughtered by an factory because she can't give the eggs and can reborn the chickens from it. And also the all you have said, it is doesn't make sense to me, because in our life we are also consuming the milk which is given by cow. It is also that category of non-vegetarian, because it is produced by the cow and buffaloes also. And all she says that vegetarian food can give us all the consuming that we can fulfill. By overeating the spinach, we have issue of kidney stone. By eating overeating of lemon and garlic, we can have the skin issues. In non-vegetarian food, it is not occurs.
Actually, I don't agree with you because eating non-veg for a long time can make you can make you suffer from stomachache from for a long period of time.
I agree with you, but the meat is consumed in the medium in amount that not affect on our stomachs, because doctor says must eat meat because the vitamin B12 is very important for our body, because they kill the disease like blindness and weak muscles also every.
See, all of us do not have a problem with vegetarian that they are eating plants, because we are also consuming plant-based items. But vegetarians oppose that we are killing animals. But I want to tell you a thing, that most of the pure vegetarians, vegans, suffer from protein intake problems, and the vegetarian people can eat eggs. According to some people, the definition of being vegetarian is eating anything that does not harm any living being. That's my point of view, that if see, you have a problem, but we are intentionally eating the meat not because of its taste, but of its nutrition. And he said that we should not copy them. But can you tell me one thing, that the mistake that past people done, should we follow that? Like this, in some part of humans in Europe, they killed all of the animals, and their next generation did not get any animal meat or products. So they used to live in not a very old story is this. So they used to eat vegetarian food only, like vegan food. So the most of those Europeans have died due to energy weakness, and we should copy our ancestors because we are them. And you say that at that time they didn't have the sources of vegetarian food, but 12,000 years ago, in Neolithic age, I think so, 12,000 years ago, the farming was invented, and till 3000 BCE, the farming was very high. And in every civilization, every place, the meat was consumed in moderation, and the vegetarian food was consumed in larger amounts, and this hasn't changed because it's the best way to have a diet. Moderate meat and more vegetarian food, being an flexitarian.
Actually, as you earlier said that non-veg is an incredible source of fat, but our body doesn't need that much of amount of fat, because it may cause you many diseases.
I agree your statement, and there are humans were killing animals brutally, and they are making machines to kill them. In last year, there were 200 million hens were killed by humans, and also 15 million cows and buffaloes were killed in world in just past 6 months, and they killed were very brutally and killed by machines that they made.
As you said that the cows and buffaloes are killed, it is this specific reason because I have researched on it because the cows and the buffaloes and other animals that have been slaughtered by these years, it has been the reason that they can't produce the milk or other having, and they have issues in their bellies and their in digestion parts. So we don't have, it is a specific have a medicine that remove the excess remove the pain of that animal. It's that
In the survey of WHO, World Health Organization, the the survey is said the 93% people are eat meat, but they 7% is non-vegetarian. But who vegetarian is eat eggs and milk, he is made by artificially. So he said he all say to I am a vegetarian, I am a vegetarian, but he was not.
See, there is one problem with vegetarian food. As many of you said that the meat only gives us fats and a bit of protein. But as if you eat 300 grams of spinach or 200 to 250 grams of pulses, mixed pulses, that causes you a lot indigestion because they don't have much fibers to do all of this, and our stomach can't handle this much pulses. But in case of meat, the same amount of protein is given in less meat because the hen takes his whole, the animals take their whole life and to collect the proteins, and we are eating the proteins to get less fats and more protein. And compared to eating more vegetarian food instead of less non-vegetarian protein food, I think it will cause more, it will be worse if you eat more vegetarian food, as you will get excess amounts of carbohydrates and fats which will make you obese and even can lead to your heart disease and your death.
Apparently, you be right, but if you see that veg food is more favorable than non-veg because it can reduce the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, or some cancers, and if you see that every organism exists on the earth are directly or indirectly dependent on veg.
He says the research said the 97% sorry 92
93.
93% people is non-vegetarians. Okay, but you say 7% is not vegetarians. Okay, but and that time you said they eating eggs. They artificial eggs, and they say they call themselves they are vegetarians. Yeah, you good. But after that, I think you are wrong because all social media and research is not be 100% correct. Because if I searching the next page is showing me another reason, another search results, and if I'm going to another page, this shows me another result. And if I'm talking about the vegetarians people, they don't eat the eggs also. They don't they just eat the vegetable foods. No, they don't eat any eggs, chickens, or something. No, that like.
I'm agree with that because my opinion is that in not in this state only, in southern and northern side, the many more people and the population is depend on non-vegetarian food because in their states the cold weather is there because there in southern state as example Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. They eat specific protein, take protein like fish and eat with the rice. It give the protein in their specific body that they can live better life and long life.